Has foundation settlement, subfloor movement, or poor initial installation caused your tiles to become loose or hollow? Do your tiles move or echo when you walk across them? Here's how to fix it yourself with Fix-A-Floor Injection Repair Adhesive. You will need the following tools for this project: a wooden dowel or tool handle, chalk or painter's tape, a masonry drill bit, a power drill, a rubber mallet, a shop vac or house vacuum, Fix-A-Floor Repair Adhesive, a knife or razor for opening the cartridge, a caulking gun, a 2.5-gallon water bucket, and a cloth and sponge for cleanup. First, isolate the problem area. Using a wooden dowel or handle, gently tap around the floor until you locate the source of the hollow sound. Once you've found it, mark the perimeter with chalk or tape. Next, use a masonry bit just wide enough to fit between but not touch the tile. Drill straight down into the grout line on each side of the tile, ensuring you don't drill into the subfloor. For larger tiles, you want to drill 2 holes per side for proper ventilation. Once your holes are drilled, use a rubber mallet and a shop vac or household vacuum to dislodge and remove any loose debris from the holes. This will allow the adhesive to form a strong bond. Now prepare the Fix-A-Floor adhesive cartridge. Remove the cap. Cut the nozzle so it fits snugly into the drilled holes. And then remove the nozzle. Use a utility knife and cut the tip of the cartridge nub and then reattach the nozzle. Ensure the cartridge is kept upright until you're ready to apply it to prevent any unnecessary spillage. Load the cartridge into a full-framed 8:1 or 10:1 thrust ratio caulk gun. Press the tip firmly against the first hole and slowly begin to apply the adhesive. The Fix-A-Floor adhesive will easily flow into the space, self-level, and fill the cavity. You'll know the cavity is completely filled when adhesive begins to flow out of the adjacent holes. Repeat this filling process until each hole achieves visible overflow. For improved precision, there's the Fix-A-Floor micro-injection nozzle, featuring a 14-gauge blunt needle tip and an adapter that attaches directly to the Fix-A-Floor cartridge. Or try the Fix-A-Floor gallon jug and 60-milliliter syringe for especially narrow grout line applications. Wipe up any excess adhesive with a damp sponge immediately after application. If you miss a spot, don't worry. Just use Fix-A-Floor adhesive and residue remover to clean up any residual dried adhesive. To ensure a solid bond, place 20 to 40 pounds of weight at the center of the repaired area and leave it in place for at least 24 hours while the adhesive cures. A 2.5-gallon bucket of water should do the trick, or a 5-gallon bucket for heavier flooring like marble. After adhesive has cured, fill the grout line holes with the pre-mixed Fix-A-Floor tile grout. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then smooth everything over with a damp sponge. Once dry, wipe the surface clean with a dry cloth. Fix-A-Floor injection repair adhesive is not recommended for areas exposed to high amounts of moisture or standing water, such as swimming pools. It can be used to repair bathroom and shower tiles as long as the subfloor is completely dry and the tile floor is properly sealed after application. That's it. In just a few steps, you've eliminated those wobbly, echoing tile problems and extended the life of your floor, all without the need for costly and time-consuming removal or replacement. Fix-A-Floor, the original injection repair adhesive for loose and hollow flooring.